What up, I'm Rob Level. I'd like to thank you for watching this video. Today I'm going to talk about the 3 primary steps to making it as a music artist. I want you to understand just how simple it is to become a successful music artist. You know, simple is a strong word, but if you break it down into
just 3 easy steps,
you kind of can see how easy it is, right? So there's 3 steps to making it as a music artist. Learn what it takes to create great music that you can record. So build that skill set. Learn the elements, the people skills, and the business skills that it takes to make it in the music industry, okay? And then you press go, and you don't stop until you reach your goal. I mean, this simple breakdown. Make great music, learn the business. Right? When you think about it like that, all you have to do is break down the individual skills and the process to make it. And you just follow that path and you keep going until you're there. It might sound a little crazy, but step back and look at it. That is actually all it takes. And one of them is just pressing the go button, right? Yeah. Luckily, I spent 5 years of my life putting together the shortcut. I thought it would take me a year, but I was clearly wrong, okay? The blood, sweat, tears, and stress that I went through that entire period of my life was barely bearable. And to look at it now, to see it completed, to see this 100+ masterclasses of like Lamborghini level courses, all that pain, struggle, time, money I invested into making that is just worth it. It's so worth it. It's so worth it. And I organized everything so perfectly for you to learn in the exact order that it takes to make it. This way, you have the fast lane to success. That's it, 3 simple steps. You just gotta think about it. That's really what it is. If you wanna get the shortcut blueprint, it's gonna show you the entire outline of everything you need to learn in a music career. I'll give it to you for free. When you're ready to accelerate your music career and your growth, click the link below this video. Get that blueprint 100% free. And while you're there, check out the shortcut, all right? Either way, I'm Rob Level. Keep hustling, and I'll see you at the top. Click that link. Get that free blueprint, all right?
Did I get my money straight? Fill my grammar plate. Am I underpaid, deserving more breaks? Guilty. Did I break it up, cut and case the cuffs? Am I better now or because you in the dust? Guilty. Do I got a lot of regrets? Traded for the checks. Am I super stressed, thinking what's next? Guilty. Did I hit the lot, hit the mall, hit the shop, earn every single thing that I got? Guilty. Filthy.